Oxtail burgers. Oh my Lord.
I mean, we may as well try it.
We're at the yard. Then we have our oxtail burger. So we slow roast the oxtail, pull it off the bone, and then we mix it with short rib and brisket, all ground up. We get our brioche nice and toasted, nice and buttery. Perfect toast, right? Masala sauce, which is a creamy herb. The oxtail burger is actually with crispy shallots that we fry. Crust. Doesn't get any better than that. Gruyere cheese, oxtail, hopefully that's medium well, boom. The crispy shallots on top. So we got an oxtail.
Cheers. The sauce, oh my Lord.